Just
Kai
because
43, baby.
usually I'm what is it? I'm thinking I'm not the best at dogfighting, so I just usually go after a ground target, and it's pretty good for my Focke-Wulfs because they've got the cannons on them.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, shit. Well, until you get, I went down the FW line. And
Yeah,
yeah, like, the higher you go, like, the less guns you have.
but the guns are still pretty powerful,
Yeah, that's true. I mean, they eventually get to 30, so that's good.
and the bodies change too. So that's
Oh,
interesting.
yes, you're right. The D9.
The D series has a longer body than the A series
Yes. And
or
faster.
fuselage.
Faster.
I'm thinking about doing a P-51 model too.
Ooh, that'd be nice. Man, I really want to do a Japanese. I just never had the patience for it.
I've never done a Japanese aircraft, but I did have a friend who did zero. He did pretty good. I'm in fourth for six ground targets.
Come on, piece of shit. Come on, take it down. God. Yeah, okay. Okay, like Kai 84 can't take down a D70.
Oh, I took my Focke-Wulf against a B-29 once. It wasn't very
Uh,
good, and then I pulled out another one,
uh,
and I kept trying to take that thing down. I took out two out of engines, but it went
still
on.
made it.
Yeah, I
It's,
got someone on my six right now.
okay.
Never mind, he wasn't chasing me.
Plus.
He's down.
Ooh.
I'm pulling up my 109 G2.
Oh.
Yeah, I got shut down. I was going against a P-47, and I think I got bombs on this thing. No, no, that's my other one. Are you going for that B-17?
Now I'm going for this IL-2. My engine's dead. So one of them, I don't.
Okay. After this
No,
guy's
motherfucker.
done, or
How'd you take me down? I'm so. Man. This
after
gun.
this plane's down, I'm switching to my 111. I'm gonna go for
Okay.
the enemy targets.
Got changed to my KI-87, baby. Take out some bombers. Hey, you see those players with the skull next to their name? What does that mean?
I think it means they're out. They're dead, actually.
No, 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 look. If you look at this name, Captain
Oh, no, no, no,
Flashheart.
no, no. I remember now. That guy is the one that killed you. The last player that killed you.
Oh, that's cool. I always thought it was that some kind of. I always got.
Okay, my MGs
I'm coming to
and cannons are out. Hold on.
I'm coming to assist you. Coming. Two 30s and two 20s.
Well, that guy was one of the first players of this game.
Oh really?
Yeah, you can tell by his title.
Oh, was
His
it
title
the
is the
old
Old
guard?
Guard.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, I had that too. I had that title.
I wish I got on enough to get that title, but I have the second one. I think it's Faithful Warriors.
Okay.
I
Yeah, I
think I
had the
have it
old
equipped.
guard.
What's my title?
It is War Thunder Mastermind.
Oh no, never mind. I gotta switch it back.
Yeah, mine is still. Yeah, but even though when I first joined this game, like I didn't do much about it. It was just probably the most advanced game I've played in a while, or first time.
Yeah, these type of games, it's
It's really
pretty
hard.
much the most advanced I can think of. The ones with the best graphics too, and I like it the most.
Well, I've been playing Fractured Space, so the graphics is not that Fractured.
Okay. If you want to assist me to the enemy targets, I'm bringing out my Heinkel.
Uh, oh damn. Your Heiko 111.
111, yeah.
Okay. Let me get up to you. What's your altitude? 12,000 feet.
Mm, I'm going off meters.
Okay. Just do your meters. I know 3,000 meters is like 12,000. It's around there.
I'm at 4,000 meters.
Yeah. So
Yeah, you're about a
I'm right
click
below you.
or three, almost 3 clicks away, or four, somewhere
Yeah,
around there.
you are. Yeah, you're 2 miles away. Let's see. Let me. The idea about this plane has good rate of climb. Oh, shoot, just a bomber at our.
Are they talking about me?
I think so.
I think I'm the only
I'm
bomber.
coming. Yeah, I'm right behind you, dude. But I'm trying to catch up to your altitude.
Oh, no, never mind. P-38. Oh, we got a Catalina over there.
But he's not gonna do much. Where's
Uh,
he? Oh, where is he?
I'm not even sure he's actually over in the target, but I feel like a VIP now.
Oh shit! Run, bitch! Run! Come on, use this speed. Is that FU4 coming to you?
I'm in
I think
the
he is.
targeting from bombing right now.
Okay. Well, you better hurry. Drop him. You might get attacked.
There we go.
Okay, come on. Here we go. Woo! I saved you, man. Woo! Yeah,
Thank
here we
you.
go. He didn't even see me. I don't think he even cared about me. Okay, that's good. Oh, BF. To your left. Let me
Yeah, I
try to
see
take him
it.
out.
Switching to guns. That last guy, he took out, or not, he didn't take anything out, but he did do some damage on my Stabler and Alarions. That's it.
Well, I'm out. Watch out. That BF took me out.
Okay, I have a Yak 3 under me. Climbing.
I'm gonna play my bomber too. My B7A2 dive bomb.
I'm gonna dive and pull up right before the base
Okay,
and drop my bombs on it. Hopefully that will work.
I guess that's what we gotta do is destroy their airfield.
Yeah, we gotta destroy their airfield after these bases.
So,
Yeah, I'm getting shot at right now. Okay, I got it.
oh, nice.
Ooh, that's a nice looking plane.
Attack hostile troops!
Yeah, I got four
Launching an
50s
attack!
on this thing.
Destroy enemy base!
Oh, we won.
Not yet. That was probably something else.
Awesome! Well done!
I think someone took out all the ground targets. No, never mind. We got the airfield target still.
Engaging the enemy!
Well, then I guess someone did get
Ooh, look at us.
Best squad, baby. Woo! Best squad. Wait, when we're a platoon together, we're a squad automatically. Is it? Are we?
Yeah, I think you can actually increase the amount of people you can add to squads now. Because usually it's four, but I think you can add 8 people now.
8 people? Holy
Hmm. Yeah.
shit. Dang, a squad. Oh, dang, that'd be awesome. Playing with 8 or dude, we could totally dominate. We could totally dominate.
I got 4 medals. I got 6th place in the team.
Damn, that guy.
I'll check out
Got
this.
2 aerial kills and 1 assist.
I got 10 ground kills and 1 aerial.
Yeah, I see that 10 ground kills. Dang, 35. What the fuck was he playing? A bomber? 35. Okay.
I don't know, but he did a good
So,
job.
so let's see.